So Julia wants me to talk about how much I love her and miss her. Because I am currently on Facebook. Actually, I'm talking to Gabby and Julia. I'm drinking a Slurpee. How do you not know how to use it? My mom doesn't know how to use her microwave. No, I am making a video. Yes. You press timer and you use it. You press start. Are you pressing timer? I'm making a video. Okay. Well, Julia, I love you. And you messaged me back. Hold on. Yeah, it's because it wouldn't be moldy. You might want to wash it. Thanks. That could be true. Thank you. Moldy swimsuits. Probably why I smell like rotten milk. But